Okay, let's try a live dig. That's pretty good signal. That says it's 2 inches down. Right there. Looks like a good place to dig. And even with all the rain we just had, we've had inches, and the ground is still hard. Well, let's see if I made a small plug and that'll work. Looks like it. There it is, another dime. See? Fill the plug. Look at that, can't even tell. Okay, another live dig. I think it's right there. Huh. There it is. How long did that take? Another dime. Dig little holes. Pinpoint first. There won't be so much trouble to fill it in. And you won't even see it. Well, about 1 inch away from the hole I just dug, there's another signal. Huh, almost right on top, no digging. Another dime. This must have been a dime spill. That's 3 in about a minute. Looks like this is some kind of hot spot. Something right there. Let's see what. Right there. Not an inch down, another penny. 3 inches away from where I last dug.